they have used this book, Al-Muqadima, or Tarikh Khaldoun, or Tarikh Ibn Khaldoun, sorry, as a reference for history and different periods of history and so on. And the whole book, it talks about how dynasties grow and what is the common thing that happens with dynasties. They grow with asabiya, they grow with, staying together and nationalism and feeling like you from that country. Then once they are up and they have luxuries, they fall because of it, just like it happened to Al-Andalus, just like it happened to most of the dynasties. And this is why he is a great historian and a great sociologist, because he's able to understand from a social aspect what happens for a dynasty, for an empire to grow and then collapse. And obviously he was a scholar in the Arabic language as well, and very strong in the Arabic language. In his book he says, اعلم أن اللغة في المتعارف هي عبارة المتكلم عن مقصوده، وتلك العبارة فعل لساني ناشئ عن القصد لإفادة الكلام، فلا بد أن تصير ملكة متقررة في العضو الفاعل لها وهو اللسان، وهو في كل أمة بحسب اصطلاحاتهم، وكانت الملكة الحاصلة للعرب من ذلك أحسن الملكات وأوضحها إبانة عن المقاصد، لدلالة غير الكلمات فيها على كثير من المعاني، مثل الحركات التي تعين الفاعل من المفعول من المجرور. So this is actually so interesting, which I would love to just make a video on this. But what we are trying to focus on right now is what Al-Imam Ibn Khaldoun here, the great historian, mentioned about the Arabic language. He says that language is the expression of the speaker about what he intends, right? So you feel sad, you intend to say that you are sad. So you say, Ana hazin. You feel hungry, your intent is to express that you are hungry. Ana jaw'an. Your intent is to greet this person. So you say, Assalamu alaikum, marhaba. Your intent is to say, what is your name? So you go ahead and with words, you express that intent that you have. And that expression is a linguistic action arising from the intent to convey speech. Therefore, it must become a firmly rooted faculty in the organ that performs it, namely the tongue. And it differs in every nation according to their conventions. He also said, as for the science of language, it is the knowledge of individual words and how they are structured and applied.